Namaste friends, I hope you all are well. Friends, are you facing trouble in sleeping at your bedtime? So today I am sharing some yoga therapies by which you can resolve this problem by natural way. These yoga therapies provides calmness, stability, they ease tension and they helps to regulate the blood flow in your body. So before start, myself Deepika Sharma, the yoga consultant. Now let's start the first yoga therapy. The name is baby pose, the child pose. For that, on your mat or on your bed also you can do this yoga. Take the position like this, like a Vajrasana. Now hands on your floor. With exhale, spread your knees. Put your forehead on floor. Now loose your body. You can put your hands like this also as per your comfort, or like this also you can take this posture, the child pose. Imagine that you are a child. Relax your body, relax your mind. This yoga therapy gives you calmness, stability, it eases your tension. Minimum 20 breaths, maximum as much as you can. After 20 breaths or as per your comfort, release the posture with inhale. Come up slowly. Release the posture. Come back to the Vajrasana pose. Now the second posture is standing forward pose. For that, stand on your mat with a full comfort. Deep inhale. Now exhale. Bend your body forward. Now loose your hands, loose your head. This yoga therapy provides you calmness, stability, ease your all tension. Normal breath, no need to control your breath. Stay in this position as much as possible. This yoga therapy is very good before when you go to bed. Now release the posture after 20 breaths or as much as you can. Slowly come up, very slowly. Exhale. Now the third posture is leg up the wall position. Vipreet Karni. For that, lie down on your mat comfortably. Now bend your both knees. With inhale, raise your both legs up. For your comfort, you can put your hands on your legs. Stay in this position as much as possible. Minimum 20 breaths, maximum as much as you can. After that, with exhale, come back to the normal position. Now relax your body. Now come up. So friends, do these yoga therapies regularly at your bedtime and get excellent sleep. I hope you like my content. Namaste. Stay connected.